In just 10 short years, Google has become the dominant name in internet search engines. The company boasts 108 million unique visitors each month. The brainchild of two computer science students from Stanford University, it's tempting to think there's a complex logarithm driving Google's rapid brand penetration. But marketing director Andy Burns says it's actually very simple.
It's really about making really interesting things that people are so taken by that they tell their friends, which is, fairly primal. It's not that sophisticated.
The marketing strategy may not be sophisticated, but their products are. While search is what catapulted Google to the top, the company has expanded into maps, mail, and video with its purchase of YouTube. Each new business venture is driven by the same basic mission.
Our role actually is to help. And at the end of the day, that's the word I think that sums up my impression of this brand, is to help. So whatever people are out there trying to do or could do or find difficulty doing, so whether they're starting a business and they use AdWords, whether they have an interest and they use AdSense, whether they want to find some place on a map, whether they want to make a document, whatever they want to do, we help make tools that let them do that.
That obsessive focus on the end user is what has helped Google maintain a strong identity as it rapidly expands. It's also generated goodwill among consumers. The company has a reputation of being fun, creative, and to a certain extent anti-establishment. They don't run TV or print ads for fear of being arrogant. But as their reach expands, analysts say the company could experience a backlash.
A lot of the technologies they're delivering in, or could deliver in advertising targeting, do feel like they could tread on your privacy if you're not careful. So if Google, for instance, builds out a lot of its understanding about you, if it really wants to build better search and better other products based on sort of knowing who you are, that could be a scary concept.
Google's unofficial slogan, "Don't be evil," has taken a more direct hit from the company's dealings with the Chinese government. Over the last 2 years, Google China, along with rivals Yahoo and Microsoft, has been criticized for agreeing to censor controversial topics such as Tibet in order to do business in China. So far, the controversy appears to have done little to dent Google's global reach. The company just reported that 51% of first-quarter revenues came from international operations. With rapid growth will certainly come new challenges, but Google executives say they remain committed to making technology that improves people's lives. Maggie Lake, CNN, New York.